new Panamera is equipped with a 12.6-inch curved display. That is the instrument cluster. The instrument cluster provides a wide variety of information for you as the driver. You can use the cursor button to navigate between each of the tubes and up into the head-up display. On the left display, you will roll down on the knurled knob. You'll be able to see your speed and assistance systems, a G-meter, and your tire pressure monitoring system. If you put the cursor here in the middle, you can change the view. You can cycle through the different views here using the knurled knob. This view is more of a Taycan Classic view. You have an assistance system view. You also have a map view, a large map view. If you have optionally equipped a night vision assist, and a simplified view. Now we'll switch over to the right tube using the cursor button. Here we have navigation. You can scroll down with the knurled knob and you'll get trip information. Scroll down again and you'll get media. And finally, an information screen in which you can program over here in the PCM. Let's do that. Select Settings, Displays, Instrument Cluster, Customize View. Here, all you have to do is select a line that you would like to change, and then change what is available there. As you can see, we have our media station here on the bottom line. You now can navigate and customize your instrument cluster in your new Panamera.